Let's make vegetable biryani with tofu. We need soaked rice, diced eggplant, carrot, zucchini, cauliflower, coriander, potatoes, tofu, tomato, onions, yogurt, ginger garlic paste, cumin seeds, cinnamon stick, cloves, cardamom, chili flakes, black pepper, turmeric, garam masala, coriander powder. Now we will fry our vegetables and tofu. Fry our onions until golden brown. Now we will add our whole spices. Add ginger garlic paste. Add vegetable stock and tomatoes. Now add rest of the spices. Yogurt and give it a good mix. Add water. Let it cook until the oil is floating above. Coriander, green chilies, and our fried vegetables. Let it cook for a few minutes. Now to our soaked rice we will add water, salt and cumin seeds. Now half boil your rice in the rice cooker. Now we will strain our rice. Now we will add vegetables to half of our rice. Add tofu. Top it with the remaining rice. Sprinkle some coriander and let it cook in the rice cooker. Now our vegetable biryani is ready to serve.